Let us continue with next one. Question number 21. Which of the following aqueous solutions has the highest freezing point? So we know that depression in freezing point, that is delta TF is equal to I into KF into M. So for the given solutions, so here first has been given as what? 0.01 molar. First option is 0.01 molar NaCl. Second option is 0.01 molar Na2SO4. Third option is 0.1 molar sucrose. And the fourth option is 0.1 molar NaCl. So here the value of I is 2. In Na2SO4, the value of I is how much? The value of I is 3. For sucrose, the value of I is 1. And for NaCl, the value of I is 2. So when we go through with the given concentration, one NaCl is having concentration 0.01 molar and another NaCl is having the concentration 0.1 molar. So 0.1 molar concentration will be more. So when we arrange the sequence, that is delta TF for above solutions will follow the order. So here the concentration is more, in this case the concentration is less, hence it can be arranged as what? 0.1 molar NaCl will be greater than how much? 0.1 molar sucrose, which in turn greater than 0.01 molar Na2SO4, because the value of I is 3, which in turn greater than what? 0.01 molar NaCl, the value of I is 2. So here the depression in freezing point, that is delta TB is minimum. Delta TB is minimum in case of 0.01 molar NaCl solution. Hence it will exhibit or it will have more freezing point, or it will have the maximum freezing point, because the value of delta TB for 0.01 molar NaCl, the value of delta TB for 0.01 molar NaCl is less, hence its freezing point will be maximum. Hence the correct option for the given question is what? Option A, which is given by 0.01 molar NaCl. Next one, question number 22. Which of the following is not a colligative property? Osmotic pressure is a colligative property. Depression in freezing point is a colligative property. Elevation in boiling point is also a colligative property. The option B, that is optical activity, is not a colligative property. So here optical activity means the ability to rotate the plane polarized light, which is not a colligative property. Next one, question number 23. When an electrolyte is dissociated in the solution, so here it has been said that electrolyte is dissociated. When dissociation takes place, the value of I, that is Van 't Hoff's factor, will be greater than 1. Hence the correct option is what? Option A. Next one, question number 24. Osmotic pressure of the solution can be increased by increasing the temperature of the solution, decreasing the temperature of the solution, increasing the volume of the vessel, diluting the vessel. So here one should know that we know that osmotic pressure is equal to concentration into R into T. Concentration is nothing but what? The number of moles divided by volume into R into T. So according to this equation, the osmotic pressure is directly proportional to what? Temperature. It means that as the temperature goes on increases, the osmotic pressure pi also goes on increases. Hence the correct option for this question is option A, that is increasing the temperature of the solution. Next one, question number 25. Which of the following aqueous solution has highest freezing point? So here when we go through with all the options have 0.1 molar. So here we know that delta TF is equal to I into KF into M. So all solutions has concentration of what? 0.1 molar. Hence, the freezing point can be easily calculated by knowing the value of I. Here we can know that since the molality, so all the solutions has 0.1 molar, therefore lower the value of I, lower the value of I, lower will be the depression, lower the value of I, lower will be the depression in freezing point, that is delta TF, and higher will be the freezing point, and higher will be the freezing point of solution. So here, if the Van 't Hoff's factor I value is lower, so lower the value of I means if the Van 't Hoff's factor value I is less, lower will be delta TF value, therefore higher will be the freezing point of the solution. So higher will be the freezing point of the solution means that is TB, higher will be the freezing point of the solution. Therefore in the given option, Al2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice is the first option, second option is BaCl2, third option is AlCl3, and fourth option is NH4Cl. So here Al2SO4 thrice has 5 ions, BaCl2 forms 3 ions, AlCl3 forms 4 ions, and NH4Cl forms 2 ions. So here the value of I is what? Value of I is low, hence lower will be the delta TF value, hence its freezing point will be higher. Hence the correct option for the question 25 is given by option D, that is 0.1 molar NH4Cl.